Hi there, this is Bob Kramer. Welcome back to Kramer's Garage. I'm going to show you today a 1975 Honda Goldwing. I've been working on this bike for a few weeks now. I've pretty much gone over the whole bike. I've rebuilt the carburetors, rebuilt the braking system, a lot of cosmetic detail work, reassembly work. But anyway, the rear fender and front fender was re-chromed. I just took this out for a test ride a little while ago, and boy does it run nice. Front fender was also re-chromed. Everything on this bike works just the way it's supposed to, and it looks about as close to new as a 50-year-old motorcycle can get. It's all original except for the exhaust system, and I believe I'll be replacing the exhaust system also. This is the original paint in near perfect condition. Somebody really took care of this bike over the years. So there it is, a 1975 Honda Goldwing. It's the GL 1000. It's got 34,900 miles on it. So I know what you're thinking. You want to hear it run. Okay. It's in neutral. Turn on the switch. With no choke. Like I said, I test rode it a little while ago, so it wasn't stone cold. Well, almost stone cold. Pulled the choke. Okay, I pulled the choke out to get the idle up. Idling at 1500 RPM. This is an aftermarket exhaust system. Let's see who made that. Motad. Made in the UK. Not familiar with that. Probably something that is no longer made. Anyway, what a beautiful bike. Looks good, it runs good. Just an awesome bike. Well, anyway, leave me some comments. What do you think of this bike? Pretty awesome, I think. I haven't pushed the choke in yet. Not completely. There it is, lugging a little bit, just below 1,000 RPM there. Okay, I'm going to end this video now. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.